This is why you feel tired after lunch. It's not always how much you eat. It's how your meal affects your energy. Many meals feel heavy and your energy drops later. I like to keep things simple. Start with lentils and gentle and filling. They release energy slowly and help you stay steady. Now add fresh cabbage, light, crisp, and supportive for your gut. Add some avocado, soft and nourishing, very satisfying. Top with pumpkin seeds for a gentle crunch and natural balance. Drizzle olive oil, simple and nourishing. This kind of meal feels light, yet keeps you steady for longer. You don't need complicated meals, just simple ingredients prepared with care. Save this and follow Amypresh Kitchen for calm, nourishing meals.